Welcome to Clockify for Beginners.
Clockify is a free time tracking tool designed to help individuals and teams log work hours easily. In this guide, learn how to set up your account, track activities, and use essential features to boost your productivity. Whether you are freelancing or managing a team, Clockify keeps your work hours organized and accessible.
Getting started, account setup.
To begin, visit the Clockify website and sign up with your email or Google account. After confirming your email, log in to access your dashboard. You can use Clockify on the web, download the desktop app, or try the mobile version for time tracking on the go. Customizing your profile helps personalize your workspace.
How to track your work hours.
To log your time, simply click Start on the timer when you begin a task, or manually enter your hours later. You can add a description, choose a project or client, and include tags for easy categorization. The timer continues in the background, making it effortless to track multiple tasks throughout your day.
Organizing projects and teams.
Create projects and assign them to different clients or categories to keep your time entries organized. If working in a team, invite members by email. You can set roles, assign tasks, and monitor the team's progress. This organization makes collaboration smooth and reporting much clearer at the end of each week.
Viewing reports and boosting productivity.
Clockify automatically generates detailed reports showing where your time goes. Use weekly, monthly, or custom date ranges to analyze your work patterns. Filter results by project, client, or tag to gain actionable insights. These reports help you make smarter decisions, identify productivity trends, and improve your workflow.